Every smart display is ENERGY STAR certified, EU Ecodesign compliant, and built where energy-saving features, modular upgrade options, and green procurement standards are the norm. And the results speak for themselves. The SmartBoard GX Plus is more energy efficient than over 80% of competing 75-inch ENERGY STAR certified interactive displays on the market. We've also reimagined our products to do more with less. By reducing styrofoam by 75% and cutting wood use and shipping by 40%, we've made space for 30% more product in each container. That means fewer shipments, less fuel used, lower carbon emissions, and less warehouse space required for our channel partners. For IT leaders, that translates into lower operating costs, compliance with green purchasing mandates, and technology that aligns with your organization's sustainability commitments without compromising performance. To go beyond the expected, learn more at smarttech.com.